What's his name?
That was a big one.
It's a girl.
I have to personally congratulate you on your first ever Grammy nominations. They were just announced in some other fields, so congrats.
What?
Are you feeling good?
It works, it works.
We're going to drive the ribbon now and see if we have any luck.
Well, thank goodness for technology, so one can still do this.